What's going on, y'all? So I'm basically going to show y'all a bit what it is like to have a AI media buying agent, and I'm going to show you the exact build and my steps and tutorials. This is my personal build, so we're going to run through it real quick. We're going to run through like what's going on, then I'm actually kind of show you what happens. So this is what happens in a sense. We're building a AI agent. So if you've never watched Iron Man or Batman, we're basically building a Jarvis or an Alfred. But we can tailor it to ourselves, so it really doesn't matter. So this is what's going to happen: the before versus after. You have a brain, you have yourself. So without you just won't run. So, and this isn't just like a one push button and everything works. Like you still have to kind of go through and check stuff as you are working with your agent. They tend to pick up on the tendencies the more you work with them. So, the more you use it, the better it'll be. Now there are different softwares that you have to use for certain types of computers and PCs. Like Mac, you're good on a Mac. But if you have a PC or like a Windows computer, you'll have to download a few extra things. And like you can see, you'll just go through and check off this stuff. This is a more broader list, but a neat list that I sell to clients also has like checklists. So you'll be able to go through and check stuff off as you go. This is more so just a broad example to show you guys for a much quicker video. I try to explain everything in under 10 minutes. I don't try to beat around the bush or none of that. So these are the agents that will come with it. If you want this, I will link it down in the description. You guys can go ahead over there and check it out and possibly buy your own if you want to. But, we have Oracle, Sherlock, Ghost, Cypher, Gandalf, and Olivia. I'll let you guys go ahead and look at like their traits and what they bring to the table for whether it's you or someone that you're setting this up for. And you won't have to worry about troubleshooting. There's a bunch of troubleshooting fixes in the tutorials. Going through this, building it myself, the first time I definitely ran into well over 100 issues that I had to fix. So you guys are covered there 100%. Now, this whole connected to Facebook thing, you'll definitely need your Meta token, but the way it is right now, there's no way that we are able to stay connected to that same Meta token for days, weeks, months. So every day is like a reset. So every day you'll put in a fresh Meta token with your AI media buying agent and it'll go to work. If you don't, it'll obviously say that the token has expired. I could try to show you an example. I haven't done anything with my agent in about a day, so let's see if anything goes on when we get to that point. But we're just gonna slowly go through this. Pause if you need to. If you want to kind of cheat the system and try to build this yourself, you can. I obviously have it. I can give it to you. And as you can see, everything is in chapters right here on the left side. So it's not like one big bulky book. Like you can split this up in a week if you want to. But yeah, you will definitely get the whole package right here to download, whatever agent it may be. And, it's a very simple step by step process. As long as you follow the step by step guideline and check off as you go, there's no problems. I've set this up on a MacBook, a desktop Mac, a PC. I've tried my phone, but I haven't got to that part yet. But one day we'll definitely get this on the phone. You can go through and just read stuff. Once you get everything set up, you want to go ask your agent some questions, and I'm going to show you what type of softwares you'll need to download because obviously you'll need to download some softwares. You can do all this type of stuff right here with AI. This is literally everything a marketing agency will offer you, just all right here in front of you. You have all these options. You can have, this is our test in a sense. See, and it's so easy. You can just go over here and hit copy on everything, like copy, copy, copy. You can generate images, all that. Like everything in here is meant to be a one-stop shop. So whenever you get on Claude Code, it's a one-stop shop. You don't have to do anything else, go anywhere else. You have all these customizable things you can generate within it. There's even a canvas setup. So it's all here. Like all the skills that a marketing agency would have is within one agent. Now, here is the VSC. This is one of the main downloads that you'll need, but we're going to go ahead and test this real quick and see what's going on. I'm just going to give it this prompt right here. It says, give me a strategy on leads and home remodeling niche and how we can get them to accept our services. How could this strategy backfire? So we're just going to sit here and let Claude work real quick. Now, this is live. I'm not stopping anything. As you can see, done like that, you have a full strategy. But what makes it so unique is when you ask it to put into an HTML. When you ask to put into an HTML, you're able to download it and send it to any or everybody and have it on the go. Now we're going to use this same prompt right here. It says, can you build me an analysis sheet for IC ad account from the start of the year to now, include diagrams and advantages, also disadvantages, HTML format. You could say it as dumbed down as that. That's probably this is not to be rude or anything, but this is the dumbest that I would say something without trying to be, you know what I'm saying, more talkative. So we'll just send this and then I'll get back when it's finished. Okay, one thing when you're in the VSC and you're doing your prompts and stuff and this message comes up, always click number 2. Always click number 2. I believe this is almost finished. But you guys definitely want to take advantage of this if you are already looking to get into the marketing world. This is a great tool to have to, for one, start yourself and not have to wait or depend on anybody else. And then 2, you wake up to it every day. All you have to do is just go to your office or go to wherever your PC is that has this agent and just get on. It's basically like playing the game in a sense. And you can see it's finished. It gave us the inside information, but we're just going to go ahead and click on this. Oops. We're going to copy the link first. And then we're going to go ahead and look. Let's fix that. And if you can't never find anything, just ask it, like, is it on my desktop or where the file is? Because you see, we just kind of couldn't find it, but it's on my desktop. So I'm going to pull it up from my desktop. See it right here. We just click on it and it'll open up. And boom, this is as simple as that. This is what we just asked for in Claude Code, and this is what it gives. So from January 1st to today, April 29th, it shows everything. We got a good CTR. I haven't spent much. This is just like a burner account. And it'll basically just show, like, you got the clicks right here. Like on March 19th, 125 clicks. Then April 21st, we had 219. So you can see how good your client or yourself is performing. Now, you're able to go in and kind of change stuff if you want to. and it shows like the campaigns or and everything. So I was low-key confused on what that meant. This is basically campaigns and stuff because I do run this campaign right here a little bit. And it shows you, it gives you everything that you're looking for, what you need. You don't have to keep going and calling and waiting for a response from your agency whenever it's right here in front of you. Like I'm trying to tell you guys, like this is a new model that will take over a lot of jobs. So basically what I'm saying is become one of the people that are good at using this type of stuff. You don't have to be a mastermind, you don't have to be the best, but just become good at using and understanding the AI and how they think to make you become a even bigger thinker. So y'all don't think I'm actually lying or anything. My AI's name is Alfred, and we're going to ask it, what is its name? What is your name? I'm going to send this. It's simply going to tell me he's Alfred, and I'm going to ask him how many skills you have. Let's see. How many skills do you have? I have 19 skills available. Now I go in and update these skills every time I get a new skill. So just imagine you started with 15. Now we're at 19 and it's only been about a week. So I'm just telling you right now, everybody will not have the same type of system. So what I allow is you to get the first 15. And if you want 19, I'll send you the 19 or how many ever we're at that point in time when you come across this video. I can send you all the skills. But if you want to start with the basic 15, I can send you the basic 15s. Well, actually, it says 20, but who knows? Another thing on skills, if you can see number 8 and 9. I just made a video about number 9, but this is the skill. It's within the data brain of my computer. So if I wanted to make any type of planner, it doesn't have to be just a wedding planner. Like it says that, but I can go in there and I can just go right here, / one of those like wedding planner. You see / wedding planner and it comes up. It shows exactly what will happen. Which is what I'm trying to tell people and what people need to understand, that this is the wave right now. Anything with Claude Code, Claude AI is the wave. But if you enjoyed that video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, because there's going to be way more tutorials like this coming out. And don't forget to tune into the shorts. Sometimes the shorts are more entertaining and more like learnable than these videos. So I would definitely say tune into those. And with that said, I'll catch y'all in the next one. 2Live out.